It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning, rear-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.